On Windows 11, the update history settings let you see a list of the most recent update installed on your laptop or desktop computer if you want to check a particular update applies successfully or failed. The Windows 11 update history page can also be helpful to know more details about fixes, improvements and known issues for a recently installed quality update or find out the one causes issue to uninstall. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to view update history on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on Windows Update. Under the More Settings section, click the Update History settings. Check the recent history of install update, including quality updates, drivers definition updates, feature updates, and optional Windows 11 updates. Once you complete the step, you will know which updates are installed successfully and those that fail to apply. If you click the Learn More, link for the each update for the Microsoft Support website will open to offer more details about the changes, improvement, and known issue about the particular update. You can also check the Windows 11 update history page to see all the updates available for the release for this version. If an update failed to install, you will notice an error code message which can refer to search online to determine the reason and the step to fix the problem. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.